Hello, welcome to TechKZ. Today in this video we'll try to fix database driver missing on the setup of Jira on your Windows laptop. This is H2 database driver missing. So what you can do is open Google and search something like download driver for H2 database. You will get a few of the website and dbschema.com jdbc driver. Download this particular jdbc driver for H2. I'll drop this link in the description, and when you click on download you will get this download option. See here, this is what you need to copy. Okay, copy, and I'll tell you where you can paste it. Open Atlassian folder on your computer. Mine is under C program files, then Atlassian folder, and under lib I need to place. So this is the exact position where you need to place this H2 JDBC driver. This is the .jar file. So once you do that, what you can do is just close the Java and restart the Java service once again, or else it is better to restart your computer once so that everything sets fine, or else just go to I'll go to back here. Yeah, Atlassian Jira software. Double click on this, click on bin, and find start Jira service here. Start Jira service here, so that again it gets start from the starting. Yeah, where is this? Okay, start Jira. Double click on this. So a command prompt will appear and it will run in the background. While it is running in the background, I'll open my Chrome browser. See, it is running in the background. It takes a few minutes. Okay, don't worry. Meanwhile, you can open the Chrome browser and browse through localhost colon 8080. Whatever the port you gave, that port. I gave something like the default 8080. So localhost 8080. Initially, if you don't get Atlassian Jira starting page, don't worry. Still the background is going on in the command prompt, so it will take few seconds. Just refresh the page time and again so that you will get this Atlassian Jira is starting up. So this will take for few minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes. Don't worry, it loads up all the apps. Loading Jira app. See here, this is how you can fix this driver missing, database driver missing on Jira setup on the Windows